What are the main reasons for bans happening right now? So really what I've seen is it's definitely an attack on new dropshippers. This is what we've seen multiple times before, right? It's an attack on new dropshippers. It's never an attack on the old dropshippers, because I've got multiple stores that have been open 2.5 years, and we've got like partner stores, people that we work with as well, and people that I've helped, and they basically pay us to manage their stores. They've been open like 3.5 years. They do dropshipping, right? And our stores, the ones that are 2.5 years old, we haven't touched them in probably a year and a half. Like, we've literally made no edits on them, not changed one thing. And they still have AliExpress pictures on them, right? AliExpress pictures. And it's so easy to find if you're an Etsy employee, if you're the Etsy algorithm, things like this. We're seeing that a lot more stores are coming back from bans, which is good. But we're also seeing that it's like an attack on like new stores, or an attack on just stores that are making actions, really, because we're seeing so many like POD and digital product stores just getting banned left and right, which is obviously terrible for the platform. So I think it can't last much longer, considering the pure quantity of POD and also digital stores that are getting banned. People message me every single day, right? Because I'm quite active in some POD communities and stuff like this, and like literally, it's crazy. Like, people get banned every single day for just POD, and that's like legit. Like, we're not talking copyright, we're not talking dodgy shit. We're just talking like printified POD. So, are selling digital products also a little bit, but not really. People are lazy, lol, using same AliExpress photos, not removing metadata, background, etc. Like, really, that's the truth, right? Like, the majority of the reason why people get banned is because they're being lazy.